After being discontinued after the 10th generation, the 11th generation Thunderbird was reintroduced in 2002. It features a Jaguar AJ35 3.9L short-stroke variant V8 engine equipped with dual overhead camshafts. 2003 and later models offer variable valve timing, electronic throttle control, 280 horsepower, and 286 foot-pounds of torque. Its aluminum alloy block helps to reduce its weight and improves thermal efficiency. This engine is divided into two banks. Bank 1 is going to be on the passenger side. Starting from front to back, you have cylinders 1 through 4. Bank 2 is going to be the driver's side of the engine, and on this side you have cylinders 5 through 8. The firing order for this engine is shown in the picture and is as follows: 1, 5, 4, 2, 6, 3, 7, 8. If this information has helped you out, do us a huge favor and smash that like button right now and consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. Here's the belt routing for the 2002 model year vehicle. Now, here's the belt routing for the 2003 through 2005 year vehicles. As a DIYer, when it comes to getting access to information that will assist you with servicing and maintaining your own vehicle, we recommend Mitchell 1 DIY. With Mitchell 1 DIY, you get not only access to quality in-depth wiring diagrams for your vehicle, but you also get component locations, component tests, technical bulletins, and much more. If you'd like to learn more about the service, please see the link down in the description below for more details. Once you get on the Mitchell 1 website, be sure to check out the free demo of everything that's included in your product subscription. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.